Okay guys, I'm gonna have to use my iPad for now because my phone is not charging last night and then there's a liquid detected last night, so my phone speed's stupid for now. And guys, can you describe me back? Like, give me the 650 bus. Why you guys had to be disrespectful to me? Did I do something wrong and make you mad, guys? Or oops, my daughter pushed her baby stroller. Ha! Today's mom vlog day 23, and now me, my daughter, and I am not going with her pet today. Next, this week coming up, like Friday or Saturday. Cause my brother, her uncle, decided I want to hang out with my dad more. This is what makes me mad, cause you want your phone? Okay. You not watch this then? Okay. Lily, you can't sit on it. It don't fit on you. So yeah, I want to clean a little bit. Like, I want to take the trash out. You watch your cartoons? Car. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Oh my gosh, Lily. You had to keep yourself awake here, please. God, I can't make a video anymore. I can't. Oh boy. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna stress out about my phone's not gonna charge. I'm gonna be screwed. Cause I don't have no job and can't afford to get another one. I'm just gonna have to get out of charge and see if that's the problem. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry there's nothing else to talk about. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.